Hello all, welcome to my channel All Set Ready. So today we are going to see about pressure washer. So as the name implies, this is a complete pressure washer, which means with this you can wash a car, your bike, for houses you can use for balcony, portico and multiple purposes. That's why it's called a high pressure washer. And this we bought it from Erode. So we are residing in Chennai. So the product has to come from Erode to Chennai through transit. So now what we are going to do is we are just going to completely unbox the whole process to ensure that there is no damage, and at the same time we will see what are the components we have received as part of this package. So now let's go and get into the video. This is the pressure washer that we have brought from Erode. So from Erode to Chennai it came via parcel service, and from Chennai, after reaching Chennai we have to go to the parcel service place and pick it up. Now we will open this and have an unboxing video, and at the same time we'll check for any damages if any. Okay, so once you open, the first thing that we can find is the product manual. This product manual contains the whole information or instruction on how to operate and also how to maintain this product. And at the last page, they have stated clearly their 1-year warranty policy, purchase date, model number, and also SWAT Enterprises. That is a place from where I bought this particular model. Now let's look into the components. And before that, so we are going to get the GST bill. So no issues with that. So the first component is the extension rod. Then we have this gun, pressure gun. We will check for the nozzle play. So nozzle, yeah, it is well and good. Now let's check the trigger. Yeah, trigger is also working fine. The next thing we have is the inlet hose. Inlet hose is of 2 meter length, which is adequate to suck from the bucket. And then we have this thermocol. It is actually very thick, so I believe no damage would happen to the machine. This will protect for sure. Next thing we have is a foam sprayer, and this is also of good quality. It's just like a twist and lock, so easy mechanism, and the product is also good to see and good to hold. The next thing we have is the outlet hose. The outlet hose is actually a little bit weight and also sturdy. It's of very good quality actually. Also the connectors, if you see, the quality is really something much more better than what I have expected. And the length is also adequate, I believe. It's around 6 to 7 meters, which means you can come around the car for one whole round. And the next thing we have is a small cover inside. It has some 3 components. The first thing is the foot valve. So we have to attach this to the inlet hose before placing it to the bucket so that no dirts enter into the hose. The second thing we have is the inlet connector, and it has a washer. See, there's a washer. And the third thing we have is a quick release connector, which has to be connected to the inlet hose, and another end has to be connected to the inlet pipe that we have seen previously. And the next thing we have is a direct pipe connector. So this is a good adapter, so you can directly connect to the tap and use the machine. And the next thing we have is they have given some product for free. Let us see at the last what it is. Okay, now comes the machine. So this is our machine. So this brand is Aerojet high pressure washer. And coming to the specification, it operates at 2300 watts and flow capacity is 45 liter per hour, and working pressure is 135 bar and maximum pressure is 200 bar, which means it continuously operates at 135, and based on the voltage that you provide, it may go even up to 200 bar. And apart from that, this is the pump head. The coil is very big actually, and also at the top, so inlet outlet hose, and at the top we have the pressure gauge. So this shows the bar at which the pump operates. So 135 bar, 200 bar, whatever it might be, you can see that. And at the top there is a liquid kind of thing, which is nothing but the glycerin. And coming to the wire length is actually a bit small, but the pin that we have, right, it has only 2 pin, so it can be plugged into a regular plug point actually. So it's very easy to operate in that case, but the thing is you have to use a proper extension box. Now we will see the product that we have received for free. So this has been packed well and good because this contains 4 liquids actually. So it has been with pretty much bubble wrapped, because even a small liquid spill might damage the whole machine that has been sent to us, right? So they have packed actually well and good. So inside this, if we see, there are actually 4 liquids. One is washing shampoo, and the second one is a glass cleaner. Third is a tire polish. Fourth is a dashboard polish and also a microfiber cloth. The whole set cost around 650, which they gave for free. So these are the products we have received. Now let's just summarize and see what are the products that we have received in total. So first thing is the gun, second extension rod, third inlet hose, fourth foam sprayer, fifth this one foot valve, sixth inlet hose, seventh quick connector, eighth this tap connector, and ninth output hose, and 10th our complete machine, and 11th we got this free pack. So this is the complete detail of what we have received, and coming to the operation and how to connect this we will see in the next video. I believe we can close this video for now. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.